Hey Buckin, this is Jason here, and I just wanted to make a quick video and give you a shout out. Actually came across your channel probably 2 months ago, and I really enjoy all your videos, the time you take to make them, and I know the editing process takes quite a bit of time. Actually used to have a YouTube channel, and I took it down after a while. I really mostly got tired of all the negativity and the hate, and I set out originally to make videos to help people. They were mostly informative, how to work on things, different demonstration type things, and I want to just thank you for all the effort you've put out there, and I want to say that you've really inspired me to get back into making videos, and I look forward to watching more of your stuff, and I hope this video finds you well and you're doing okay. And yeah, best of everything to you, bud. So take it easy.